Today we're going to be starting a new lesson, which is fractions in its simplest forms, okay? We talked already about comparing fractions, and we talked about equivalent fractions. This is simplifying fractions, okay? A lot of times when you finish your work on the fractions are going to not be simplified. So you need to bring it to the lowest number, okay? And to do that, okay, you're going to go ahead and find it in two ways, okay? Sometimes you're going to have equivalent fractions, okay? So if you had 4/8 and 2/4, and 1/2, they're all equal, right? Okay? So when you simplify, you're just finding equivalent fractions, okay? And sometimes you'll have them in fraction form, a proper form. Sometimes you may have them as mixed numbers, as in this case, okay? The only thing I'm going to say about mixed numbers, and we're not going to practice them right now, is that you don't have to worry about the whole number. You just have to worry about the fraction part, okay? You just have to worry about the fraction part, okay? And that's what we're doing today, okay? Let's work on a couple of problems. One from day 2, okay? You're going to have day 1. We'll do one from day 3, okay? Are you ready? Okay, so 9/27. So simplify fractions is finding an equivalent fraction that's really, really small, okay? What does 9 and 27 have in common? 3, right? Okay. Now, do they have something else in common? Who has the multiplication table? Okay. Okay. So what we're looking for here is not, the lowest multiple, but something that's higher up. Okay. So what's higher? What else can you go in 27? Okay. Could you divide by something else?
Divide by 3.
Can you divide something higher than 3? Tell you what, let's do 3 and then you'll see. I'm sorry? 9, right? Okay, so you just told me you can divide by 9. Let's see what happens if we forgot about 9 and did 3. So 9 divided by 3 is what? 9 divided by 3 is what?
27.
9 divided by 3 is
3.
what? 3, right? So that's going to be 3 on the top over here. And whatever you do on the top, you have to do where? On the bottom, right? So what's 27 divided by 3? 9. Can you divide this further by anything else except 1? Can you do 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom?
Yes. No. Yeah.
Show me how no. Yes, right? Okay, so what's 3 divided by 3?
1.
Okay, and what's 9 divided by 3?
3.
3, okay? Now, with the 1/3, and Chuck, can you fix my board there a little bit? With the 1/3, is there anything you can divide to make 1/3 smaller? No, the only thing you can do is divide it by 1, right? But like we did in GCF and also LCMs, we don't worry about 1s, okay? Okay, good. So we're going to go ahead and stop there.
Do we have to find the smallest one?
You're going to find the smallest one, exactly. Let's work on one more example. Day 2, and do one from day. And then if you need more help, I'll work with you individually, okay? Let's do 16 and 24 over here, okay? 16 and 24, what do they have in common?
4.
Okay, they have 4. Let's do 4, okay? What's 16 divided by 4?
4.
Okay. And what's 24 divided by 4?
6.
6. So whatever we did on the top, we have to do on the bottom, okay? Now, 4 and 6. Is there anything else we can divide besides 1 there?
Yes, 2.
4?
No, 2.
Remember, whatever goes on the top has to be on the bottom. You cannot do 4 on the bottom, but you can certainly do 2. How many times does 2 go into 4?
2.
Okay. And how many times does 6 go into 2?
3.
I'm sorry, 2 goes into 6. 3. Now that we have 2 over 3, is there anything else we can do to 2 over 3 to make it smaller?
No.
No, right? Okay. So that's pretty much in essence. Does anybody else have any questions? Do you want me to make another problem? Okay. Give it a try. And day 3 work, okay? So, let's go.